Welcome back to Neuronest AI Innovators. Today we're venturing into a thought-provoking topic, AI and creativity. Can machines be creative? Let's explore.
Creativity is often seen as a uniquely human trait. It's the ability to come up with new ideas, solve problems in unexpected ways, and express ourselves artistically. But can AI tap into this creative spark?
Believe it or not, AI is already being used in creative ways. For example, AI can help generate new music by analyzing existing songs and identifying patterns. It can also be used to create art, write stories, or even design products.
However, it's important to remember that AI is still a tool. It can't truly be creative on its own. AI can generate ideas, but it often takes a human touch to refine those ideas and bring them to life. The collaboration between humans and AI can lead to truly innovative and groundbreaking creations.
As AI continues to evolve, possibilities for AI-powered creativity are endless. Imagine AI that can help us write the next great symphony or design the next revolutionary invention. The future of creativity might be a beautiful blend of human imagination and machine intelligence.
Is AI a threat to creativity or a powerful tool? Let's discuss. In the next video, we'll tackle a crucial topic, the ethics of AI. Hit that subscribe button and tell me in the comments your thoughts on AI and creativity. See you next time.